Let's take a look at this old tool. This is a pop rivet tool. It could be from the 50s, I guess. I don't know. But it's interesting. United Shoe Machinery Corporation. I guess this is a do-it-yourself kit. Very important. It's kit number 103. Of course, we have the directions. Pretty detailed. Tell you how to use it. Here's the actual tool. One size fits all. Looks like 1/8 inch is what you got. It even came with some rivets. You're set, you're good to go. The tool itself doesn't seem to be of too much quality, but I guess it will work. I'm going to try this out sometime to see if it actually does work. But it's an interesting old tool. Very nice.